broadcast system announcing the commencement of the annual sanctioned by the U.S. government. Weapons of Class 4 and lower have been authorized for use during the The weapons are restricted. Government officials of ranking 10 have been granted immunity from commencing at the siren. Any and all crime, including murder, will be legal for 12 continuous hours. Police, fire, and emergency medical services will be unavailable until tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. when the purge can be our new founding fathers and America, a nation reborn. May God be with you all.